Welcome to my channel. Hi friends, hi followers. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. So today's talk will be on past and present climate. In this video, you will learn about how rain, temperature, water supply, food harvest, and also vegetation can be used to show a change in climate. Firstly, rain and temperature. In the past, main rain seasons come in October and end in December or January, but presently there are unreliable raining patterns, which means you can't know when the rain is going to come and when it's going to start. Also, past temperatures were also usually predictable, but at present there are hot days and winter nights. Number two, water supply. In the past, rainfall could meet the needs of people and animals, but nowadays, water for domestic use have become a problem for those who are not in use of borehole. Did you know that in 2015 there was a serious drought in Zimbabwe? A large amount of animals died due to shortage of water. Number three, trees and vegetation. Looking at the past, there were big and healthy trees and fewer wildfires. But presently, there are more wildfires and more areas without vegetation cover. Number four, food harvest. In the past, plenty people harvested more food, but presently, families are failing to harvest all they have to take them to the next harvest so that in the next harvest they can have enough. Now, hope you've learned something from this brief and short talk. Now, our questions for these sections are: number one, what crop did you grow when you were my age? And are the harvests gone high or they've gone lower? Number two, did you have droughts? If yes, please explain in the comment section and the year it happened and the country or city or place, please. Then number three, from December 2023 to March 2024, this year, was rain more or less? Write your answers in the comment section, please, and also negotiate. Then, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. I love you.